Well, hey everybody, welcome back to Getting Saucy with Cece, and today we're going to be making cilantro lime crema. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and had a meal that was like so amazing, just so flavorful, everything balanced, and you just think, oh, I'd like to be able to make that at home or have it whenever I want. Well, that's kind of what I like to do. I like to go out to a restaurant and try new things. And anyways, I went to a restaurant and I tried their cilantro lime crema on fish tacos, and it was just like an explosion of flavor in the mouth. It was so good. So we're gonna make that today. So I've got here 3 limes. We're gonna zest 3 limes and then the juice of 3 limes. You can make this cilantro lime crema with sour cream or plain yogurt. I've made it both ways, and I actually prefer it with sour cream. I think it gives it a little more zing. I've got 3 cloves of garlic here and a little bit of mineral salt, and that's it. Oh, no, it's not it. I also have here, drying, a bunch of cilantro that we're going to put in there. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, into the bowl. This is, I think, about, oh, it's not quite 500 grams, it's 450 of sour cream. If I'm having a bunch of company come over, sometimes I'll double this, just because it just goes so fast. Oh, garlic through the garlic press. And just scrape out all the extras there. So I've got, this is kind of a coarse grater. That's what I'm going to use to zest the lime. Just got to be careful with your fingers here. And you don't want to go too far, just till you get to the white. So we like to make fish tacos, and we'll put this on fish tacos. But tonight we are making juicy chicken fajitas. So we're going to have the cilantro lime crema for on top of the fajitas. You see all that in there? So good. Okay, we're going to cut these up and put them through the lime squeezer. Oh, you know what? I should have rolled it first. There you go. Just softens and releases the juices. Now for the cilantro. This is just so easy. I'm just going to cut it in some big bunches. Put all that in there. And we're going to have a little pinch of mineral salt. And it's this easy. So we're just going to blend that up. So you're going to hear some noise here for a minute. I think I got a splat. Okay, and that is it. You check this out. That's how easy it is. And just limited few ingredients and so fresh. I'll usually pour it into here so you can, you know, squirts nice on your taco, however much you like to put on there. And It's not getting saucy with Cece until we finish our work with a toast. It's tequila day. Salute. So please remember to click like and subscribe. It does help with the channel, and I hope you enjoy this as much as I do. Really, it's like a flavor explosion in your mouth. Cheers. Till next time.